but they keep animals along the main road streets. I think the area is Kigeti.
So we got a couple of these. How much were these? We got
2,000.
So we got these for 20 pence each.
Yeah.
So
they're about 4-5 pieces on a stick.
So it's a bit like what we would call a kebab stick that we'd get from a Turkish takeaway or something.
Ah, okay.
And it's really tasty. So
it's tasty.
So here we are at Banda Lodge, which we've been looking forward to for a while, because as you can see the pool, and we've got a couple of rooms like that one we can see behind us, each next door to each other, so that's good. Masaka's got the best room as usual.
As usual.
If you're just looking for a basic place to stay with a comfortable setting, nice setting too, swimming pool, open to all residents.
Yeah,
this is an ideal place. And it shouldn't. Masaka will introduce us to her
Welcome to my home.
As you can see, it's a bit nicer than mine, but
It's my bed.
a cool place.
It's such a nice one.
Well decorated. Let's have a look at her bathroom to see if.
If I want, I can climb up.
Yeah, she
Guys,
can climb up there.
Let's check if I got food.
Masaka's now going to give us a demonstration of how not to. What's up there?
How do I get my...
Well, yay!
Achievement. Achievement.
You even have bathrooms. Yeah, it's got more air and more light into this one. But I suppose you can actually choose. They've actually got a problem with the electricity at the moment. They have the last weekend, but because it's a weekend, they're finding it hard to get somebody to come and fix it. So some wire out in the main roads, even that's been cut. Hopefully that'll be back on tomorrow. We're just going to supply us hot water anytime we want it. And it's quite warm here anyway, so cold showers I think will do us fine, won't it?
Yeah.
So anyway,
As long
that's,
as it's not cold.
that's Banda Lodge.
Oh, my name is Ankunda Angel. I'm working at Banda Lodge as a manager per now. We offer accommodation, swimming pool, restaurant, and just enough.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Angela. Up the top there you can just see the restaurant, lovely.
Oh, the restaurant, you
Lovely
just
setting.
come up in the restaurant. Ah, okay.
Lovely setting to go and sit and eat somewhere. And obviously we've got the pool here where you can cool down, which we're probably going to do quite soon I think, because it's really quite sticky and warm, isn't it? But we'll do the reception and that later on. We're just going to get ourselves unpacked and make ourselves a well-deserved.
I love the place, so far so good, yeah.
It's okay. Bye. Bye. This is our food from the day. You can sit in there chomping, chafing at that sauce in there. What do they call it?
Bullocks something.
Yeah. You want to open it up and see what's inside of you?
Hey, open up.
Hey. So you see it's like an omelette and chicken or something.
Yeah.
But it's a really cool place here. on this line here.
All latitude.
Zero degrees latitude.
Yeah.
So what happens is the guy puts water in there and then puts a petal, flower petals, on the water, and it stays still here.
Yeah, it stays still here.
But if we put it over there in the northern hemisphere, as the water is draining out, the flower actually spins round clockwise.
Until it settles at this point.
Alfred Pasco Mwonge are my names. At the Equator line, we do a geographic experiment, which is to prove that the forces of North and the South don't spin the same. So this experiment is a geographical one, how the Coriolis effect behaves. North of the equator, countries like USA, Germany, European countries, whenever flush a toilet, the water spins clockwise.
Okay.
Then South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, South America, South, the water spins anti-clockwise.
Okay.
When you get a chance and come to Uganda on 21st of March or 23rd September, they're called the equinox days.
Okay.
On those two dates, when you come and stand at the equator line midday, you will be shadowless with no shadow.
No shadow.
Because the sun will be pointing direct in the equator line.
Wow.
Twice in Uganda, that is 21st March and the 23rd September.
So there you go.
Only 13 countries crossed by the equator line.
Wow.
Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Sao Tome, Gabon, Congo Brazzaville, Congo DRC, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Indonesia, Gorontalo, Angola. They're the countries crossed by the equator line in the whole world. So they have the same experiment and the same experience. So all come at the equator line in Uganda.